Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable use video sound as ringtone for the incoming call on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone application. In here, tap on the option key at the top and then tap on settings. In settings, tap on call background, and then if you are wanting to change the sound settings for the current video background, you can tap on this icon and then tap on use video sound as ringtone. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or off. Now if you want to add in a new background, then you tap on background, and in here you can tap on the add button and tap on select from gallery. Now select a video that you want to use, and in here you can also turn on or turn off use video sound as ringtone, and then tap on set as call background. Okay, so that's it. So if I go back to the home screen now and give myself a call, you can see that in this incoming call, it will use the video sound as an incoming call ringtone sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.